Welcome to Divide Fractions and Mixed Numbers. And this lesson, it will be very helpful to 6th graders and other middle school grades, and can also be very helpful to 5th graders. So when we are dividing fractions and mixed numbers, we follow 4 simple steps. First, we change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. And the next step is to change the division sum or the division problem to multiplication. And that means we are finding the reciprocal of the fraction that comes after the sign. So we do that by keeping the first fraction, switching the sign to multiplication, and then we flip the fraction after the sign to the reciprocal. That means the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. And then we cancel and or multiply across, and then we simplify. So let's go ahead and start practicing. There are no mixed numbers here, so we'll go right ahead to changing to the reciprocal. So what we do, we're going to keep, so we keep the first fraction, 3/7, switch the sign to multiplication, and then we flip the fraction after the sign to the reciprocal. That means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Now we are ready for the second step, which is cancellation and multiply across. And yes, we have here the 3. We'll cancel out that 3. And now we can multiply across. Equals 1 times 5 and 7 times 1. And this is the lowest term. So that's our final answer. Next, 1 3/5 divide by 5. Mixed number to improper fraction. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, 8. So that is 8 over 5. And we put back our division until we are ready for the second step. And this 5, the denominator of a whole number, is 1. So now we are ready for the second step, where we need to find the reciprocal of 5 over 1. So this is what we do. And that is equal to keep 8 over 5, flip to multiplication, switch to reciprocal, 1 over 5. The reciprocal of 5 over 1 is 1 over 5. And now we're ready to cancel and or multiply across. There's nothing here to cancel, so we just go ahead and multiply across. 8 times 1, 8, and 5 times 5, 25, and that is our final answer, as it cannot be simplified. Next, 4 and 4 over 8 divide by 3.5. First step, change mixed number to improper fraction. 8 4s 32 and 4 36. 36 over 8. Put back our division sign until we are ready to go to the second step. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. And now we're ready for the second step, the reciprocal of 7 over 2. So we're going to keep 36 over 8, keep that. Switch division to multiplication and flip 7 over 2 to 2 over 7. Now we're ready for the third step, cancellation and multiply across. So we have here 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. And we also have, so this is 4. We also have 4 divided by 4, 1. And 36 divided by 4, 9. Nothing else to cancel, so we can multiply across. Equals 9 times 1, 9. 7 times 1, 7. And that can be simplified. That means we change it back to mixed number. 9 divided by 7 one time and 2 over 7. And that is our final answer for that one. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.